Today is cornbread because Thanksgiving is around the corner. So what I'm going to do is I have a stick of butter that's melted. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar, and I'm going to start to beat that up. Okay, so now I'm going to add the eggs. Add the buttermilk, a cup of buttermilk. There's a cup of cornmeal and a cup of flour in here. A tablespoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of salt. And a 1/2 cup of oil. I'm going to mix that up, put it in the pan, and I'll be back. Okay, so that's what the batter looks like. I made sure that all the little lumps from the cornmeal and the flour were out. I'm going to spray this 8-inch pan. If you want a bigger cornbread, just double the recipe. All right, so the oven has been preheated at 375. I'm going to pour this in, and I'll be back when I get this in the oven. Around 30 minutes in the oven. I'll give you the exact time when it's done. I'll be back. It's been 35 minutes. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna take it out and cool it off, and then I'll be back to taste it. So I made it cool off a little bit. Oh, it's so light and airy and moist. It's really delicious. I hope you try it for Thanksgiving.